Hi everyone, welcome back to another Kevin's English Schools video. How do you improve your English while living in Japan? I would try to make some foreign friends. I would try to get a part-time job or even a full-time job at a place where many foreigners come. For example, some restaurants like Outback or TGI Fridays, or Mike's Mexican Restaurant in Chuolinkan and other areas of Japan. What else would I do? I would read a lot of books. Ironically, books will help your speaking and improve your grammar. I would try to incorporate my hobbies into learning English. So if you enjoy listening to music, I would listen to English songs. If you enjoy movies, I would watch English movies, maybe one time with subtitles, another time without, or one time with Japanese subtitles, another time with English subtitles, and then a third time with no subtitles. I would try to make your world into an English world as much as you can. So whatever you can do to expose yourself to, be near English, I would do that. Anything you can think of. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And please let us know what kind of videos you would like to watch. Thank you for watching.